flip screen cameras make things like taking selfies or shooting high and low angles a lot easier since you can preview your pictures and take the shot when it's framed correctly. In this video we are giving you the best camera with flip screen. To see the price and find out more information on these cameras, check the link in the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more of our latest reviews. Let's get started. At number 5 is Nikon D5500. A great and dependable DSLR camera you can check out is the Nikon D5500. The camera's price may lock out its suitability for entry-level photography, but it's worth investing in. It features a DX-sized image sensor for good image quality. D5500 offers accurate colors and proper exposure levels even when it is in the automatic shooting modes. Shooting in low light situations is easy thanks to Nikon's pop-up flash unit. The camera features a strong autofocus for incredible accuracy with a 39-point FA system. With Nikon's unique f-lens mount, you can have access to a lot of lens selections. Another strong point of the camera is its 3.2-inch articulating LCD screen that is touch-enabled. At number 4 is Nikon D750. Fitted with a 24.3-megapixel full-frame sensor, the Nikon D750 is one of the best DSLR cameras featuring flip screen. It has a tight, weather-sealed housing for extended durability and hassle-free use in all conditions. The D750 also features 6.5 fps continuous shooting and a full HD video at 60 pixels. Nikon D750 holds the record as the first Nikon DSLR camera to feature an articulating screen as well as built-in Wi-Fi. The articulating screen is not fully articulated, but it can tilt at 90-degree angle for waist-level shooting. It is also the smallest and the lightest full-frame DSLRs currently on the market. The camera comes armed with a pentaprism optical viewfinder with 100% coverage and 0.7x magnification. At number 3 is Nikon D5300. Featuring a high-resolution articulating monitor screen, the Nikon D5300 is one of the best DSLR cameras with flip screen currently in the market. This mid-level DSLR camera for photography enthusiasts who understands what they are doing and are in need of a serious but weighty interchangeable lens camera. The articulating screen is touch-enabled and measures 3.2 inches in width. Nikon D5300 is a powerful camera and a great choice for intermediate or advanced photographers who are fixated on megapixels and are ready to part with slightly higher amounts in purchasing it. At number 2 is Canon EOS 70D. Another great choice of a DSLR camera with articulating screen is the Canon EOS 70D. Its hallmark features including the 3-inch LCD flip screen with touchscreen capabilities and which can be adjusted to various desired angles. The screen is designed to recognize two-finger touch gestures necessary for zooming or changing images and accessing controls and settings. 70D is fitted with 20.2 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor and has an ISO range capable of capturing high-quality images even in low-light situations. It has a strong autofocus performance, which is great especially when you have to shoot video. Because of its great performance, it is the number 1 choice of many videographers and YouTubers. At number 1 is Canon EOS Rebel T5i. This camera is great for both novel and advanced photographers. The camera is one of the most affordable models, yet one that is equipped with the most advanced features and specifications. Rebel T5i captures good still and video images. While this camera is not strictly professional grade, it boasts of an 18-megapixel CMOS sensor with an ISO range of 100 to 12,800, giving it good performance even in low-light situations. It can capture Full HD, 1080p, video with 5 frames per second continuous shooting and 3-inch flip touchscreen. You will like its optical viewfinder, Wi-Fi or NFC connectivity, and GPS receiver. You can upgrade Canon EOS Rebel T5i to include a Wi-Fi SDHC card.